Hello everyone. Let us look into this question. In a triangle here in this we have two questions here. Let us solve both. In a triangle PQR, n is the point on PR such that QN is perpendicular to PR. If Pn into NR is equal to Qn square, then prove that angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees. This is the question we have here. Okay. So PQR is a triangle, N is a point on PR. So first let us draw the figure for this. Let us take one triangle here. Okay, let us name this as PQR. Okay, and N is a point on PR such that QN is perpendicular to PR. From Q you are having you are having one perpendicular onto PR. Let us name it as N. It is perpendicular. So this angle and this angle is known as, it is already given as 90 degrees. Okay, so now what is telling in that Pn into Nr is equal to Qn square. This is also there with us. Okay, so when you start the proof for this, okay, so what are the given conditions? N is a point on PR such that Qn is perpendicular to PR. Qn is perpendicular to PR. This is there already with us. And also it is given that Pn into Nr is equal to Qn square. Right. So now we have to prove it as angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees. Right. So now the main part is here, from the given condition only we will take this. This is already given for us. From here itself, I will write this as Pn into Nr is equal to Qn square. I will write this as Qn into Qn. Now, one Qn I will take to the LHS and one Nr I will bring to the RHS. So, I will get this as Pn by Qn is equal to Qn by Nr. Right? This is what we have here. Let us name this as equation 1. Okay. Now, I will consider two triangles. Right? Consider triangle PNQ, PNQ and triangle QNR. Okay, we will consider two triangles PNQ and QNR. These two triangles. Let us draw this one here beside for our clarification, because here we have n 90 degrees, so both will be right angle triangles. Okay, so one is PNQ. P and Q is the one and Q and R is the second one. Right. So it is already known that these angles are 90 degrees. Right. So I can write the word that angle P and Q is equal to angle Q and R equal to 90 degrees. Right. And also you have this equation with you, equation 1 with you, that is Pn by Qn is equal to Qn by Nr. This is also there from the given part, right, according to the equation 1. So one angle and the ratios of the sides. So by SAS similarity, right, SAS similarity criteria, what can I write by SAS similarity criteria? Right, I can write this as triangle PNQ similar to triangle QNR. So triangle PNQ similar to triangle QNR. Now when these triangles are similar, the remaining sides are also equal. Remaining angles also will be equal. Right? So I can write this as this part. See, if you check it out, this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay. So how can I write this? I can write this as angle NQP. Right? Angle NQP is equal to, this angle is equal to QRN or NRQ is equal to angle NRQ is the first one, and the next one angle NPQ. Okay, right, angle NQP is already done. Now we are left with angle NPQ. Right, so angle NPQ is equal to angle NQR. Right, so that means or I can write this as angle NQR is equal to angle NQR is equal to angle NPQ, right? This angle equal to this one and this part is equal to this one, right? Now what I will do here is I will try to add these two equations. Okay, so when I add these two equations, see, let us see what I will get. NQP, where is NQP? Here is the angle NQP, right? LHS I am taking. NQR, this is the angle NQR, right? When I am adding these two, I will get this angle PQR. This is the main reason for writing in this manner. Now we will add these two equations. Let us, anyhow, we name this as 1. So let us name this as equation 2 and equation 3. Now I will add these two. That is equation 2 plus equation 3. What I will get? Angle NQP plus angle NQR is equal to angle NRQ plus angle NPQ, right? Now, here if you see angle NQP from the figure, angle NQP and NQR, if I add NQP and NQR, if I add, I will get angle PQR, right? So that means since angle NQP plus angle NQR will be angle PQR. So I can substitute here as angle PQR. Therefore, what I will get? Angle PQR is equal to angle NRQ plus angle NPQ. Correct? We came up to here. Let us suppose name this as equation 4. Now, PQR is a triangle. From triangle PQR, right? From triangle PQR, what can you write? Sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. Okay, now that means angle PQR, I'll write here angle PQR plus angle PRQ plus angle PRQ plus this angle is done, this angle is done, and we are left with one more is angle RPQ. Angle RPQ is equal to 180 degrees. Now, if you check the figure correctly, N is the point on PR, right? So, NRQ or PRQ, both are same, right? I hope you got this point. N is the point on PR. So, NRQ or PRQ is same. Similarly, NPQ or RPQ is same, right? Okay. So, now here NRQ and PRQ both remain same because since N is the point on PR. So finally, here PRQ plus RPQ you have. So I will write one word here. Since angle NRQ is nothing but angle PRQ, and one more is angle NPQ is nothing but angle RPQ because N is the point on PR. So here in the place of this PRQ and RPQ, I can write this NRQ plus NPQ. Right. So this becomes angle PQR plus, in the place of PRQ, I can write as angle NRQ. Angle NRQ plus angle, in the place of RPQ, I can write as angle NPQ. Angle NPQ is equal to 180 degrees. From equation 4, already this part is completely equal to angle PQR. So in the place of these two, I can write as angle PQR. So this will be angle PQR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. From this, 2 angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees, right? This is what we have to prove here, right? This is the first question that we have completed. Now we will go to the next question again. If you see the second question here, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Okay, let us try to draw the figure here itself, right? So parallelly we'll do the things. So when you go for the solution of this, ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. in which AB is parallel to DC. Of course, AB is parallel to DC. P and Q are the points on AD and BC. Here you are having one point as P and this we have as Q, such that PQ is parallel to DC. So we are joining the line here PQ, that is parallel to DC. Okay. So this is already given for you that PQ is parallel to DC. Okay. So now what is asking you to prove? PD is equal to 18 centimeters, BQ is equal to 35 centimeters. PD is given for you as 18 centimeters, BQ is 35 centimeters, QC is 15 centimeters. Find AD. He is asking you to find out AD. Okay. So now same thing. One small construction part we will do here. We will join AC. Now let us suppose that this diagonal AC is meeting the line PQ at a point O. Okay, this is the extra construction we are doing here. Now since PQ is parallel to DC and AB is parallel to DC, so obviously I can use the word that PQ is parallel to AB is parallel to DC. And since O is the point on PQ, if PQ is parallel, then of course OP also will be parallel, right, to AB as well as DC. Now we will consider, therefore I can write this word as PO or OP is parallel to AB is parallel to DC, since O is the point on PQ. Point on PQ, right? Now we will consider triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, OP is parallel to DC, right? So according to the basic proportionality theorem, what can I write? I can write that AP by PD is equal to AO by OC, right? This I got it here. Let us name this as equation 1. Now we will take out second triangle. Okay, now we will take out the second triangle, that is nothing but ABC. In triangle ABC, okay, I can use the word that OQ is parallel to AB, right? Since P and Q, O is a point on PQ, OP or OQ both becomes the same thing. So OQ is parallel to AB. I can use the word here. OQ is parallel to AB. So according to the basic proportional theorem, what can I write? CQ by CB, or CQ by QB, right? Or QC by QB is equal to OC by OA. OC by OA. Or else if you reciprocate them, I will get this as BQ by QC, right? BQ by QC is equal to AO by OC. Let us name this as second equation. Now if we check it out, in first and second equation, RHS is same, so I can equate LHS. Therefore, from 1 and 2 equations, therefore, from 1 and 2 equations, what can I write? AP by PD is equal to BQ by QC. Right? Now let us substitute the values here. What do we have? PD is 18 with us. AP we don't know. Let us leave it as it is. AP by PD is 18 is equal to, what is BQ? BQ is 35 by, what is QC? QC is 15. So from here, AP is equal to 35 into 18 by 15. Okay, 3 table, you can cancel this. 5 table, sorry, 5 sevens, 5 threes, 3 1 time, 3 6 time. So now what is the value of AP I got? AP is equal to, I got this as 42 centimeters. So I got the value of AP as 42. What I have to find out? I have to find out AD. AD I have to find out. See, AP I got this as 42. Simple. AD is nothing but AP plus PD, right? So therefore AD I can write it as AP plus PD. So AP we got it as 42 plus PD you got it as, already it is given as 18. 18. So finally, you got this answer as 60 centimeters. Therefore, AD is equal to 60 centimeters. This is what we have to find out. Right? I hope you got these two problems here. We'll meet with the next question next time. Thank you.